Good evening, students. How are you? Oh, that's excellent. I'm very well, thanks. You know that Go Animate is now beyond. You can appreciate many colors. Right, this is colorful. Now, we are going to filling out our dates in these parts, in dinosaurs. Good evening, students. How are you? Oh, that's excellent. I'm happy for this. I'm very well, thank you. Let's start with the class of today, okay? You can see in the screens of your laptops Go Animate. Okay, Go Animate is now beyond. Let's start, please, everybody here. We start our 14-day free, okay? Filling our own dates. You know, first your name, complete please, after surname, continue your Gmail. This is mine, of course, Aida Marcelo Cornejo at gmail.com. In this part, you can write student. In this other part, you can choose student 2. Then, your cell phone number, and the last, the country. Yeah, okay, Peru. Tick in both. Continue with submit. Okay. You can read. Thank you for signing up. Nos están agradeciendo. Then get started and beyond. Click here, says. Please click here. After, we are going to complete our dates, filling our dates, okay, for webinar. You know, in the same way, my name, surname, Gmail. Remember, this is called at. Okay, this is period. Okay, tick after submit. Oh, I believe that this page has problems. Oh, don't care. Thank you so much.